everyone, we are going to make a beautiful scenery on this pebble. So collect some colors and pebbles and start doing this paint over it. Now we are going to use these green and yellow shade of paints and cover them like we're doing here using thick brush. Now we are going to make trees on the top of it and some stones and water as well. So use your creativity and you can also make much better artwork than this. So here we are making this scenery. You can also use some bright colors. You can also make a daylight painting in place of this. We are making this sun setting and we are adding these beautiful yellow colors on this painting like this, and then make flowers. We are making these two rabbits as well. So we are using this dark tone and this painting, use some black shades and highlight some of them, and look at this beautiful artwork is ready. You can use this for home decoration. Pebble artwork is very trending and is so elegant and easy to make. So grab some colors and you can take inspiration from this video. We are going to make a beautiful scenery here. So spread some colors like this. Now we are going to make beautiful river flowing and some trees as well. So winters are here. We are going to make a snowfall painting here. Spread some colors and use them like we're doing here. Take a very thin brush and make the trees now like we're doing here, and we are using this white paint for the snow. Spread it like this, make the trees, and we're also adding these black shades on the ground and the white one as well, and we're also adding this beautiful waterfall and river like this, and finish it like this, and look, your beautiful scenery is ready on this pebble. You can too try it at home. Collect some colors. Let's make a beautiful scenery on this pebble. So take this thick brush and spread this blue shade of colors like this and make this beautiful pattern. After this, we are going to cover the entire pebble using white and blue color. We are also making the ground here, so we are using brown and yellow paint like this. Spread it till the up like we are doing here. Now take thin brush and similar way we are adding more shades on the ground like this. Here we are going to make many trees like this. So draw the trunk and the canopy of the tree. Now we are making a little house at the center. So take a very thin brush and make the outline of the house first. After this, we are going to spread all the colors like we are doing here, and look, your beautiful artwork is ready, and look how pretty this is looking. Here we are going to make a beautiful pebble artwork. So spread this blue color of shade on the top of the pebble using this thick brush. We are going to spread it in layers. Now we are also adding this black tone and green as well on the ground, and look, it's done. After merging both the colors, we are adding more details like we are drawing these black trees on the top of it. Now add the leaves and canopy of the tree like we're doing here. You can also spread it on the ground like this, and look, it's done. It's a night view, and look how pretty the painting is looking. Add more yellow paint on the top of the grass and tree as well, and using this white color we are going to make highlights like this, and look, it's almost done now. The painting is done. Now we are going to make a horse standing here. We are drawing a unicorn here, and look how pretty and magical this artwork is looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.